Hey, Kyle, AA0Z here. Just hit the trail on the way up to Kephart Mountain, about 3 miles. So, gonna turn the camera off and concentrate on my footing here. And I'll get back to you a little bit later. Alright, I'm about a mile and a half in. About, I don't know, an hour into it. Came across, 1.7 miles. Boulevard Trail, 1 mile. Lee Spring Shelter, 1.3, or Ice Water. Kephart Prong Trail. Down that way. We are going down that way. Here we go. All right, made it up here to the top, Mount Kephart. Let me show you the view here. I'm gonna go and try and operate from a better location that a little bit more open, that is within the activation zone. So there's a lot of tree cover here, so it'd be very hard for me to string an antenna without it literally being on the trail. It's a little muddy up here. So we're gonna go down from the summit a little bit. I was gonna operate from in there. I got a little space to string an antenna, maybe back over there, but it's just a lot of trees. So we're gonna take a look at a place called the Jump Off. See if that is within the activation zone. See if that'll work. So, and I have cell phone coverage up here, which is great. So I'll be able to spot myself. Nothing like doing a SOTA summit or a POTA and not being able to spot yourself. That sucks. All right, back with you in a bit. All right, set up here at the top of the summit. I've got K6ARK random wire. It's coming up into a tree, looping back over itself and coming back down. It's about 6 foot off the ground here, so it's almost a loop. So we're gonna see how that works. It's the best I could do to get it up in that tree. So I do have cell phone coverage up here, so I'm gonna get on the air, see if I can hear some people. Might work. Jason, KC5HWB, is doing a POTA activation, and we'll go from there. So, yeah.
Kilo, November 3, Yankee. November Echo 4 Tango November. November Echo 4 Tango November. QSL.
Whiskey 0 Echo Romeo India. Yeah, it's Whiskey 0, Mike, November Alpha. Whiskey 0, Mike, November Alpha. I've got you about a 5-9 today up here in Leavenworth, Kansas. Go ahead.
Yeah, Whiskey 5, Bravo Oscar Sierra.
Whiskey 7, United Sugar Alpha.
All right, I think I'm getting towards the end here. 3.5 miles in, 3.5 miles out, 6 hours.